Hey there traders, welcome to the Pip Banker Live Sessions video summary. I'm going to walk you through a couple of the things that we were doing today in the London session, and you'll get to see what we were doing in the live markets this morning. So as you look at the Euro-Dollar 1 hour chart in front of you now, you'll notice that we came up against a resistance level R1 here. We started getting small candle bodies, a little bit of indecision, and then we got a beautiful bearish engulfing bar. And so this was called by one of our members. They said, well, you know, there's a bearish engulfing bar there. What shall we enter the trade? So I said, well, you know what, fib that move. Look for a retest of a 50%. So we grab the fib, right? We drag it onto that pattern. We look for a 50%. So let's draw it on here quickly, show you exactly what we were doing. We drew the 50% in, right? There was our trigger. So if you got in right at 120.45, actually I got in at 120.50, to be honest, in the live room in front of the members there. They saw me get in at 120.50, all right, but 45 is close enough, and we're looking for about 40 pips to the downside. And as you can see, it got very close there. I got my 40 pips actually right to the pip in front of the live room. I was able to get the trade short at my level at 50 and take it off at plus 40. They watched me do that and scale out of that trade as we did in the live market. Unfortunately, thereafter, I took a pound yen trade that didn't work out so well, so I wiped out quite a few of the pips I made on the euro, but it goes like that some days. Some days you have break even, some days you have fantastic winners, and some days you have a little bit of a losing day. So far though, this trade was a very nice one in the London session. Pound yen wasn't so great, but have a look at the pound itself, pound dollar, right? What we're getting right now is some beautiful wicks to the top side here off a resistance level, beautiful shooting star patterns. This is telling us possibly down. Now you'll notice that I have a pending order down the bottom here. That's because if you go and look at the 4-hour pound chart, you'll notice that there is a very nice bearish shooting star in this area as well. If you put all these wicks together to create a 4-hour candle, you'll get a bearish shooting star, and the low of that bearish shooting star is just down here. So my entry will be there, my stop loss will be up there, and I'll be looking for a ride down, as you can see, to the S1 level to get me to my profit target. So we'll see if that can trigger a little bit later on, as we are busy with the New York session right now. Ronan's busy coaching that, so they will probably be taking some trades similar to this. In the meantime, though, I'll be waiting for that to trigger, along with a euro that I've got ready to trigger as well. So if you guys want to see us set up these trades, identify these patterns, and show you where to place your stops, where to put your entries in, how to manage it, how to fib it, profit targets, and so on, and we do it in the live market every day, guys, pop over to fap-tradershaven.com. We'd love to have you join us in the London and the New York session. See you there. Cheers.